Everybody and their mama is coming out with a lip oil, and of course Gisou had to enter the chat, so let's try it. I got 2 shades of the Gisou lip oil. I got one in the shade Sticky Toffee and the other one in Milky Mocha. I never tried anything from Gisou before because to me Gisou is just not a brand for me. I just feel like I'm not in their target demographic, and that's okay. But I just happened to be at Sephora the other day and I walked by their product display and I saw this one specifically, their Sticky Toffee lip oil, and I tried it and I was just like, you're coming home with me. And I also saw they had this darker brown lip oil, and yeah, I'm in love with brown. I feel like everybody is in love with brown. It's really trendy right now, so I was like, you know what, let me take these 2 and try them. The packaging is super cute. Just look at the bottle of the lip oil, like so cute. Like, how cute and aesthetically pleasing is this bottle? And it is made out of glass, which you don't really see a lot nowadays with lip products. And in case you don't know about Gisou, all their products are infused with honey as well. So enough rambling, let's try the lip oils. So first I'm going to try Sticky Toffee. I'm not going to wear any lip liner so that you guys can really see the pigment of the lip oils, but it feels so like expensive and luxurious in the hands. I really love the packaging. And it smells delicious. It smells like a pastry with vanilla in it. I don't know exactly how to describe it, but it smells very yummy. Okay, so about the wand, you don't actually get a lot of product on the wand, so you have to dip a few times to cover your whole lips if you have full lips like me. If you don't, then I think you should be fine with just like 1 dip, but I had to go back to finish my lip. How cute is this shade though? It is the perfect brownish pink lip oil, and it actually looks like a lip gloss. Like, look how glossy my lips are right now. Woo. I love it. With my lip oils, they're supposed to be sheer, and this one is sheer but is buildable. But most lip oils do not give that much gloss, and I'm really happy at how glossy my lips look right now. Like, I feel like I'm wearing lip gloss, but like a nourishing lip gloss, you know? And when it comes to the smell, once it is applied on your lips, you don't really smell it anymore. Yeah, this lip oil is not sticky at all. Matter of fact, I feel like, I don't know how to explain the feeling, but it feels like I'm gliding my lips against something that's not my lips. Like I don't know how to explain it, but like, it feels very cushiony, very buttery, very like bouncy. It's such a weird feeling, but in a good way. And the good news is that this lip oil actually moisturizes your lips. So many lip oils claim to have all these nourishing ingredients in them and to be moisturizing when they're actually not. But this one, even after removing the lip oil with my makeup wipe, my lips still feel very soft and very just like normal. Anyways, let's swatch the next shade. The next shade is Milky Mocha, and I think we also take a moment to appreciate good packaging, because I love that each box has the gradient color of their respective shades. I don't know, like, to me, little things like that actually matters when it comes to products, and I might actually like the brand more when I know that they actually make an effort in their packaging. So this shade is Milky Mocha. Okay, it has the same smell as the other one. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this color is everything. Did you guys see that? Okay, I actually exfoliated my lips before applying this because you can see a bit of my skin coming off on my skin, on my lips, sorry, and this lip oil is not forgiving at all. But this color is so gorgeous. Ooh. Oh, this is such a nice brown. Oh my god. Yo, do you guys see this brown color? I love this. Ooh. I wonder what this would look like on top of a lip combo or with a brown lip liner. Now I feel like I need to try all the options because this is so pretty. I hope that the camera is picking up the right shade because when I tell you that I'm obsessed right now, oh my gosh. Oof, like between the glossiness and the actual like pigmentation of the product, oh my gosh, the shades are perfect, the formula is perfect, the smell is divine. Like, ooh, listen, I might not be Gisou's target audience, but right now they got me good. They got me good with this. I'm kind of far from the camera, but I feel like the camera is not picking up the right shade. This is a brownish pink, but more on the brown, kind of like dark purple with like some hints of pink in it. And it's just like, when you think mocha, I honestly think of the shade. This is a true mocha shade. Like, oh my gosh, I cannot get enough of it. And you know what I love even more? Like, now I just got it, just tilted, because I was like, oh, you know what? These lip oils are so glossy and all that, but like, my lips look like vinyl. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, it looks like vinyl. It has that kind of like glossy sheen, like wet slippery look vinyl has. And it's so interesting to me that a lip oil was able to get this texture and this finish when you don't really get this with actual lip glosses. You know what I'm trying to say? But these are not lip glosses, they're like lip oils. But oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, like, I'm in love. I am in love. Y'all, when I was at Sephora, I thought that the sticky toffee shade was that girl, but Milky Mocha, is that the name? Yeah, Milky Mocha is really the star of the show. Oof, you guys. But you know what? I kind of want to like mix both of them, but I have this thing where I do not like mixing my lip products because I don't like when they mix and then they get dirty and everything. But let's mix it and see what it's giving. You know, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply it with my finger. Ooh. Okay, I'm just going to apply it in the center. Okay, you don't really see a difference. Yeah, okay, I'm a bit disappointed. You don't see a difference on the lip with the shades. Milky Mocha just absorbs sticky toffee, so there's really no point in mixing these two shades. You won't get a lip combo or anything like that. But oof, yeah, I'm gonna have to buy 2 more, and they better never go out of stock or get discontinued because I'm gonna be very upset. But anyways, this was my first impression and swatches of the Gisou lip oils. Let me know which one was your favorite, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.